channel. How are you guys doing today? I recreated this look with only using Swiss Beauty makeup, and which is very affordable and high quality. So if you want to check out all my looks or all my hauls videos, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified of my upcoming notifications. If you want to see how I recreated this look, then let's get started. So I've prepped my face and now I'm going to be using a highlighting primer. So this is the Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. I had heard good things about this, but I'm going to try it myself. Let's see whether this is a good highlighting base or not, because I've used a highlighting base from a lot of brands and I don't want it to be very glittery. So let's see if this works. It comes in this pump packaging, which is nice. So let's take a pump. So it looks good, but let's see. I hope it's not glittery. I like the packaging though, and I'm gonna evenly apply it on my face. I've already prepped my face with a primer. You can use any primer. Let's just rub it into our skin. It adds a bit of glow. It definitely has some slight glitter particles. So if you like that look, I'm sure you're going to like it. But I've used more fine highlighting base primer. So let's see if we put concealer and powder and everything, then how does it look. But I can definitely see very small shiny glitter particles. But if you're going for a party, then I think you can definitely use this. Otherwise, I prefer their illuminating makeup base. This is better. This doesn't have that much of glittery particles. I'm going to be using it as a highlighter, so I'll show it to you. I heard such great things about this. I think it's like average. It definitely makes my face glowy, but I don't want the chunky particles on my face. So if you like that look, you can definitely use it. Else I would suggest you this one, which is better. So now let's start with the concealer. So this is the liquid concealer by Swiss Beauty, and I have heard only good things. I've used it in the past. So my shade is Sand Sable. So let's try this concealer. Back. Guys, you can see the before and after. It's quite full coverage. I really liked it, and the fact is that it matches my skin tone perfectly. So my shade is Sand Sable. Really recommend you try this concealer, because I'm sure you'll get darker shades in your skin tone also if you have darker skin tone. If you have my skin tone, then this is going to match you perfectly. And I really recommend. It's very affordable, so you can check it out. So link all these products in the description, so don't forget to tap the links in the description. You can directly purchase the products from there. So now after the concealer, I have to set my base. So I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty Matte Compact Powder. This is Prime and Fine Matte Press Powder, and I had heard really good reviews about it. So the packaging is pretty, but it is a little bulky. They've used the mirror like here, and this is the puff. Although I don't use puffs, but it's good if you're carrying it around. It's a little bulky, not gonna lie, but I like the fact that it's got acrylic packaging, and the powder is really fine. So this is the powder, quite fine. I hope you can see the powder. So this shade is Very Natural 02. So this is what the powder looks like, and let's blend it on our face. Looks pretty matte, good match to my skin tone. Let's just take a little bit and dust off. Use it under eyes. I'm gonna just use it on my T-zone a little bit. And I'm going to very slightly dust it off on my face. I want a little glowy look, and this is a matte powder, so I'm not going to do it very heavily on my cheeks. Just a very slight dust off. And don't forget your neck. Guys, I actually like cream blushes, and Swiss Beauty has a cream blush, but I don't have that. So I actually took this palette. So this Take Me Anywhere palette. So this is a multifunctional palette. I showed it in my Nykaa haul. If you have not seen my Nykaa haul, I will leave that link in the description. You can definitely check out. It was a huge haul. So this was one of my finds. So I made a YouTube shorts with using this palette, so a link will also be in the description. You can check that out, or you can check out my shorts. So it's a very pretty nude palette. They also have one more variant that is a colorful variant in this palette. So I like the nude story, and this has highlighter, contour and two blushes. So I'm going to be using the blush from this and contour and highlight. So let's just use this. Guys, I did my brows off camera. Now I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Take Me Anywhere palette. Firstly, let's use the face products, and then we're going to use the eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking this blush right here, this pretty peachish pink blush, and dab off excess, and then I'm going to just put it on my face. Pretty peachish pink color. If you like very pigmented blush, then you should go for the the Swiss Beauty Creme blushes. I think I'm going to be trying that. If you want me to try that, leave that in the comments, that try those blushes. I'll do a separate review on that whenever I buy that. This also looks gives a very pretty peachish pink flush of color. So I think I really like it. I'm going to give you a hand swatch also of both these blushes. They are really pretty. These are the blushes. I hope you can see it in the camera. This is a little dark, deeper pink, and this is like a peachish pink. So it looks very pretty on my cheeks. And now I'm going to be using the contour shade. Quite natural contour. It's not very harsh, which is very good, and it goes on my skin tone. So contouring my nose and a little bit of jawline. So we are all contoured. Now let's just go with the highlighter. So guys, if you wet your face with the makeup fixing mist, then it adds a punch with your highlighter. So that's what I've done right now, and I'm going to take a little bit highlighter on my brush, tap the excess. It's quite a nice highlighter, but it's not like very out there. Like if you want something very out there, then I'll tell you one more trick. So this obviously looks very pretty and reflective on camera, but I'm gonna give you one more trick how you can make it more blinding. If you like a subtle look, you can just directly use a powder highlighter, but I'll tell you. So I go in with the Swiss Beauty Illuminator Makeup Primer. So this is the one. I really like it. This shade is golden pink. That's my shade. They also come in one more color. So you take just a pea-size amount on your finger, and then just dot it across your high points. So like this, just dot it across on the bridge of your nose, little bit, upper lip, and you can just dab it like this under the brow bone. Oh my god, I love this. I don't know why, but they didn't make this without shimmer particles, but this one is my favorite. This is so blinding and so pretty. It's like gives you like a very pretty pinkish golden tint. Remaining, I'm going to dab it on my other cheek as well, although you don't use it over powder, but I'm just going to show you the intensity that it's going to make such a difference to your highlighter. Oh my god, so pretty. So see how this made a difference. And this one had a powder and a highlighter both. Now this has only the highlighter. So now what I can do is I can use a little bit of highlighter if you like it. If you just like it like this, you can leave it like that, but if you want to give a more punch, then you can just use a little bit of powder highlighter over this. Will set your highlighter and you're gonna glow for the entire party. This looks so damn pretty, trust me. And this is my trick if I want my highlighter to last all day long. I love this. Like look how my face is glowing, and everyone is gonna say, oh my god, which highlighter are you using? And these are such affordable products, so link in the description, check them out. Our base makeup is done. Now I'm going to be doing the eye makeup. So I think my face looks flawless. Let's go with this beautiful nude palette. Let's just do the eye makeup. In this first pink shadow, For the first shadow, I'm going to be using the second crease shade, which is this lilac purple. Let me bring you a little closer. So guys, I hope you can see my look up closely, and you can see the crease looks very blended. The colors are quite pigmented and very blendable. And now I'm going to be using this shade in my outer corner. It's quite pigmented, so let's just take a little bit and dab it. Let's just take a little bit and just a little bit highlight our outer corners. It's quite pigmented. I'm going to be using the lid shade. So guys, I'm going to be using this pretty pink pinkish shade, and this looks very duo toned. I hope you can see it. Using directly with my fingers because that's how it adds the most punch. And swipe it across. Such a pretty shade. Oh, I love this other lid. So now I'm going to be blending it, and I'm going to get back. Guys, the eyeshadow looks quite good blended, and now we're going to do the lower lash line. So I'm going to be taking this shade again, and I'm going to just blend it in my lower lash line. Just a little bit to add like a dreamy look. Looks pretty nice. Now I'm going to be adding the kajal. Guys, I have two liners. These are the Swiss Beauty Color Me Happy kajals. So this is basically an eyeliner also. This is smudge proof, waterproof, and so one is the lilac one. The lilac one is called Purple Aster. The other one is called Black Midnight. So I think I'm going to be using the black one today because I want to do like smoky eye with the black one. So let's just smoke out our lower lash line with this. This is what one eye looks like. Let's do the other eye, and just gonna stretch it a little bit, and I'm gonna just apply it evenly. It's not as creamy, it glides, a little bit of effort, but it's quite pigmented. Let's just smudge it quickly. Because once it sets, it just sets completely waterproof. So I think it looks pretty good. So it took me a little while to blend it, but not gonna lie, it's very pigmented and black. And the Purple Aster one is my favorite. I have used it in my previous tutorials. If you've not seen that, you have to follow me on Instagram. The link will be in description. This is the handle. I'm thinking to top it off with a silver liner. So they also have this eye sparkle sketch liner. So they have it in a lot of beautiful shades like blue, green, gold, pink. And I have this, and I have this silver one, so it looks really stunning. So let's just do a slight wing with this. It's really very pretty. Let me give you a swatch. I've shown it in my haul also. If you've not seen it, I hope you can see it on camera. Yeah, it's quite blinding, so let's just use it on. So guys, I hope you can see this, that this wing, silver wing. Although I'm using a glitter eyeshadow, so you can't spot it much, but you can see from the swatch how pigmented and glossy and glittery this is. I love it. Like, I'm going to try some other shades from this, but looks pretty good. And especially if you don't have a glitter liner on, just like some simple matte shadow, you can use like a shadow like this is a highlighter, but you can use a shadow like this and then also use a glitter liner, or you can use these matte shades and use it. So it looks pretty good. I think I love how my eye makeup looks right now. So now let's go on with the lipstick. So guys, I think I highly recommend this palette. The link will be in the description. Definitely check this out. And now for lips, I have three variants. So one is the lip oil. This is a very pretty lip oil. I'm going to be using it first because this is the variant strawberry, and this comes in 3-4 variants, and it smells also very good, and it makes your lip look very pinky and plumpy. So let me just apply this first. So it reacts to the pH of your lips. Juicy and nice. I'm going to leave it right now and I'm going to let the color come. And then we have two options. So one is this Swiss Beauty matte lipstick. This is also very nice and creamy. So now we have this Swiss Beauty creme matte lipstick, and yeah, this is the shade Attitude. It's a very pretty pink shade. Oh my god, look at the pigmentation, so bold and like one swipe pigmentation. It looks very pretty, and the best part is that it just closes like this. Pretty nice packaging, and they have a lot of shades in this, a lot of nudes and pinks and reds, and this is the shade Attitude. But I think I'm not sure whether I should use this because it's more like a festive shade. If you're looking for like a bold party look, then you can go for such a shade. I'll be going with the Swiss Beauty My Shine lipstick, which is the new one. I really love the packaging. So this has to be clicked, and it comes in this heart shaped packaging. I've already shown you before also in my haul. And look how my lips look, very juicy and plump. So now I'm going to be applying this lipstick on top of this. It looks so good. Right, I'm going to give you a swatch also separately, but I think the lips look so nice and pink and glossy. If you're into glossy lips, then you will love this My Shine lipsticks, and if you like matte lips, then you'll like this, the matte lipstick. So let me just give you a swatch. So guys, this is the swatch of the My Shine lipstick. This is a very pretty heart shaped this thing, and this is quite shiny itself, so you don't need a lip oil under it. But if you like even more plump lips, then you go for the lip oil. You can also wear this first and apply the lip oil later, however you prefer. Loving how my lips look after applying this lipstick. So yeah, this is like become my favorite, and they have many shades. I think I'm going to check out one more shade, so link again will be in the description. Don't forget to check that out. Let's just show you the final look. So guys, if you like this look, then don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified of all my videos. And check out all the products, the links will all be in the description. And tell me which was your favorite product from this brand, because Swiss Beauty has amazing products, and I'm sure you must have tried some or the other. So let me know in the comments which one do you like. I will be coming back with amazing videos. Next up, I think I'm going to be doing Mars Cosmetics one brand tutorials, so you don't want to miss that. I love one brand tutorials, and that's how you get to know amazing products of a specific brand. So if you want like Mars Beauty, Nykaa, Lakme, or any other brand, let me know in the comments. So don't forget to like this video, because that's how you will be in loop with my other future videos, and they are really amazing YouTube shorts on my channel right now, so don't forget to check them out. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye guys.